Harpy Eagle, disguised muscle monster. BiteForce, up to 500 psi. Their talons are so strong they can crush a monkey's bones like potato chips. Andean condor, giant wings, deadly grip, BiteForce, around 350 psi. It feeds on tough carcasses, ripping high and bone straight from dead animals. Shovel stork, quiet but terrifying. Beak power, estimated 300 psi. This bird clamps down like a steel trap, able to flatten prey skulls instantly. Cassowary, not a bite, a strike, kick force, powerful enough to crack bone. One kick from those dinosaur claws can shatter legs, no bite needed.